What's up guys, it's Dusky coming to you today with a brand new video. Today what we are talking about is we are talking about social medias, which ones you need to be on, which ones that you should probably stay away from. Now we're determining which ones you should be on, which ones you shouldn't be on by how they convert to YouTube viewers or YouTube subs or Twitch viewers or Twitch followers. So the four main social medias that we're going to talk about here are going to be Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Now, some of these are going to surprise you as to which ones you should be following and which ones you should be working really hard on and which ones you should kind of let fall off. So let's go ahead and jump on in. First up, we're going to be talking about Instagram. Instagram is a fantastic app that will help you build a following on Instagram. Outside of Instagram, though, it is very, very tough to get traffic that's on Instagram out of Instagram. As someone that works on digital marketing, that's one of the hardest things for me to do is if somebody is using Instagram and focusing on Instagram and trying to get them to come to their webpage. It's an extremely tough thing to do. Almost every Google Analytics report that you'll ever see out there will say that Instagram does not send people to those websites easily. The same exact thing is true about YouTube and Twitch. So if you want to grow your audience on Instagram, it's a fantastic place to do that. But whenever you're doing that, I would focus on not really advertising your YouTube or your Twitch. Maybe say that you do those things. Maybe send a picture of your setup or something like that along those lines. But really advertising your channels on Instagram is not the best way to get them to come to your channel. So let's say you post a link, a Twitch or a YouTube link on Instagram. That link, if I click on it, it's going to take it into a completely different browser that isn't even the application that the person can subscribe or follow on, like Twitch or YouTube. So it's tough to convert people over to YouTube or Twitch via Instagram. So overall, I would probably rate Instagram a 2 out of 10 in conversion rate from Instagram to YouTube or Twitch. And it's probably something that you want to not really focus on as a content creator for YouTube and Twitch. But if you want to build your following on Instagram, by all means, have at it. Next up, we're going to talk about Twitter. So Twitter is an interesting social media. There is so much engagement on Twitter, so many people. You could literally search for just about anything on Twitter and you will find a tweet about it and people arguing about it. Again, if you want to build an audience on Twitter, there's no better place to do it than on Twitter. It's a great place to post your stream, the link to your stream or a link to your video. However, the same exact thing that happens with Instagram happens with Twitter. It opens up a browser within the Twitter app as opposed to opening the YouTube app or the Twitch app. So it makes that conversion pretty tough. However, the audience that you build on Twitter can actually be brought to Twitch or to YouTube. It's a little bit tougher, but it's not as almost impossible as Instagram is. It's an awesome place to get to know people, to make friends, to really interact with a community and talk about things and learn things. You can learn different release dates for various different pieces of equipment. You can find all kind of crazy stuff out there. So overall, I would probably rate Twitter a 6.27 out of 10 on conversion. It's pretty tough to get them to come over, but it's not as bad as Instagram. Next up, we're going to talk about Facebook. So Facebook is very good at getting people over to your YouTube from Facebook using paid advertisements. So you pay money, you select an ad campaign, and you basically make that campaign go, and it will find people that want to watch your video, and it takes people over to YouTube. However, the one that I ran was I tried to target it as best I could, and I think I got around 600 views. However, the viewer retention was like 20 seconds or something like that. It was awful, absolutely terrible. So that's going to be something that really hurts your YouTube metrics, and the YouTube algorithm is not going to really like that at all. But there is a way that I found recently to grow your YouTube organically with Facebook, and that's to post in Facebook groups with people that are actually interested in your subject. So for me, I go find small YouTuber, small Twitch groups and post in those, show them my videos, talk to them, interact with them, answer their questions, anything like that. And that helps people come to my channel and watch my videos, which is what we all want. But that is a pretty lengthy process and can sometimes only lead to just a couple of subscribers here and there for YouTube. So it may not be worth your time, but it does convert people slowly. So overall, I would probably give Facebook an 8 out of 10, just because it's easy to get people to convert over to YouTube, but it's tough to keep them watching the videos that they're clicking on. All right. Here's the crazy one. TikTok. Let's talk about TikTok. So recently, just this past week, I actually started a TikTok. I have hated on TikTok for so long, y'all. I hated it. I couldn't stand it. Every time I saw one, I didn't even click on it just out of spite. And then I talked to somebody and they were like, hey, this is pretty good at converting people over to YouTube. So try it. So I was like, all right, I'll try it. I made a TikTok about a week ago. I gained about 30 or so followers on TikTok, got about 1,000 views in about 5 videos, and I've gained about 5 subscribers from TikTok to my videos and to my channel in about a week from TikTok. That's not a lot if you're an established YouTuber. That's not a whole lot. I don't think the conversion is great for if you're a larger YouTuber. It's not really worth your time to go make, spend 10 minutes on a video, making a video for TikTok, and then that not produce, a large amount of subscribers or only a couple subscribers. So I would say it's easy to moderately easy to convert those over to Twitch viewers or YouTube subscribers. One great thing about TikTok, and I love this about it, is if you link your YouTube in your profile, it opens it in the YouTube app. So it signs them in and opens them in the YouTube app so they can look at your page and hit subscribe immediately, which is exactly what you want whenever you're trying to convert them over to subscribers. As far as Twitch goes, I think you have to have 1,000 followers before you can actually post the Twitch link on your profile. So I don't know if that actually opens in a browser or if that opens in a completely different app. If you do know, can you let me know down in the comments? That'd be awesome. So with TikTok overall, I would say probably on my limited time that I've been on the platform, I would say probably an 8 out of 10 for YouTube. And for Twitch, I'd probably say a 7 out of 10. I do know a bunch of people that have very much succeeded on TikTok, and that has converted very easily over to YouTube or to Twitch. So I'm going to keep on working on that little niche and see if I can't maybe get a bunch of more people to come over. And if it does, then I'm going to make a video on it, specifically on TikTok. But anyways, appreciate you guys watching. As always, thank y'all for staying till the end. If you did like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button. I'd greatly appreciate it. And if you haven't already and you like this content, go take a look around the channel, subscribe to my channel if you like the content. If not, then I'm so sorry. Please be my friend. Anyways, be sure to subscribe, be sure to follow all of the fun links and stuff that I have down below. I do try to go live on Twitch every Tuesday and Thursday. I'm trying to play either a mobile game of some sort or just edit a video or edit some thumbnails for y'all. So yeah, have a fantastic day and a fantastic week.